Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a travelling hallelujah. Now obviously knowing how to do a hallelujah already be really helpful, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, so it's quick and easy for you to find if you want to go back and look at it. But this is very, very simple. It's just an extra bit of walking on top of a core intermediate move and some slight changes to the timing. So let's jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So all it is a hallelujah with a walk forwards and back, and you slow the timing down. So actually, from a musical point of view, it's more useful than a standard hallelujah. So it starts off right to right, over left to left. We go semicircles and back. We're drawing the lady towards us and we're walking backwards. We're bringing the hands up. We're doing the hallelujah as we walk. As we bring the hands down, we change the direction. We start the lady going back and then we just extend out at the end. Do it from the other side so you see the other view, and we will talk numbers. So we go back 1. We're coming in 2, hallelujah 3, change in direction 4, and stretch out 5. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, traveling hallelujah. It's a back, walk, hallelujah, push, and stretch. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, and the notifications, if you haven't turned on in your settings, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.